Hi, welcome back, and today I'm gonna fix my battery charger. I had some frayed wires, so I'm gonna take it apart and see what I can do. So stick around. I took the liberty of taking out the screws and stuff already. There's the plate. What it looks like. Alright, here it is. This is one of the wires. It was frayed and wasn't charging anything very fast. And I was looking at it, it was actually frayed. I want to say kind of where this grommet goes. It was kinked. And then bare wires were showing, so therefore you're losing voltage to charge your vehicles. I took this to Ace to see if they had a connector like this. They didn't. But they have this assortment here is like $5 and some change, so might as well say $6. Alrighty. See all the ones in here. Plug these in first. Back. Stripe it. Ready? See these loops. Oh. Loops right here. Down in like that. There's one right there. These 1/4" hex screws go back in. Last one. All right. Almost forgot. Gotta tighten these. Now let's see if this works. Take this lawnmower battery here. This is a good charger. I had it for about 6-7 years. Just, you know, sometimes maybe you just gotta fix some stuff, remanufacture it, so to speak. Very negative. There. Positive. There, you can hear it charging. Well, there you have it. I got my battery charger working again without having to buy a new one. Just a couple items and a little improvising and made it work. I want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. So long.